So have you ever tried to create a Facebook page and you are getting an error telling you that too many pages has been created already? For example, now we have this and I want to create a new Facebook page, and if I'm naming my Facebook page a highness and a category, let's say digital creator, and we could leave the bio empty for now because you can actually work on that later. So when we try to create this page now, it comes up with this option that says you have created too many pages recently, please try again later. And even if you wait until 24 hours, 48 hours, even next year, you definitely get this error. So if you have been having this issue for some time now, stick around with me on this video and I'll show you a simple trick on how to get this issue resolved as soon as possible. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I create amazing content like so. Let's get back to business. So if you have been having this issue, the next thing you're going to do, we're going to search for Windscribe. Okay, this is Windscribe plugin. But if you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, you download the application itself, install it on your device, then you turn it on. But if you're using a web browser, or if you are logged into a laptop computer or a desktop computer, then you have to download the Windscribe VPN. So this is how the Windscribe VPN looks like. So you can click on Get Windscribe. Okay, this is extension for Windscribe. Then you click on Add to Chrome. Then you click on Add extension. So once you do that, okay, the extensions has been added successfully. So for you to view your extensions you have added to your Chrome recently, you can click this icon like so. Once you click the icon, then we search for the Windscribe extension. So this is the extension we've added recently. So for you now, you have to click on Get Started and create a new account. But for myself, I already have an account with Windscribe, so I'll be logging in now. So when you come to your Facebook page like so, let's try to connect the VPN. This is my username. Then for the password, I'll be logging in now. So once you're new to Windscribe, you'll be given about, okay, you can skip this for now. If you're new to Windscribe, you'll be given about 2 gig to make use of for free. So once you have successfully installed the plugin for the Windscribe like so, you come here and you click on Connect. So before I click on Create, I'll be showing you where I'm logged into and what this VPN is doing for me. I can see the IP address now is written for Atlanta, which means I've successfully changed my IP address from Nigeria down to Atlanta. Okay, we are connected to Atlanta now, so you can click on Create Page. Then you wait for it to do its magic. You see, it said Highnet was created. That is it, as simple as that. So if you have been having this issue on your Facebook account, and if you go with this video, you will definitely solve your issue in less than 3 minutes. So if you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I post amazing content like so. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. And I still remain your virtual assistant, Gideon.